you dislike. ಏನಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ ಪುಟ ಓದೇ ಪುಟ ಆ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದೇ ಪುಟ ಓದೇ ಪುಟ you just come to work, do it and go, you falls under this category. As simple as that. Remember, all these three theories talks about something kind of an inherent or inner motivations. If I have an urge to do something new, you learn something new. And how do you learn something new? Two things. One, whatever the faculty or whatever the person who is there standing here, if you tell something, do something new, you attempt it. Or you take initiation. Yeah, when you take all these things, you have a lot of responsibility, you have a lot of work pressure, you have a lot of deadline. But when you want to take something new, you have to keep it in mind of your deadline also. ಹಾಗಂತ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು next year ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ. But it's something like personal feel which you always want to enjoy it. And this motivation factor will never rise when you work. ನೀವು ಹೇಗಿರ್ತೀರಾ ಅದೇ ತರ ಕಂಪ್ನಿಯಲ್ಲೂ ಇರ್ತೀರಾ ನೀವು. ಹಾಗಂತ ನೀವು ಮಧ್ಯೆ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 2 ವರ್ಷ ಈ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ಈವನ್ ಹೊಸತನ ಏನು ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ದೇರ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಲೈಕ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಆರ್. ಬಟ್ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಯು ಸಮ್ ಕೈಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲಾಟ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ where you are going to differentiate about yourself. You will feel difference. How I was yesterday, I was today. I am the same person like how was in degree and here? Or am I finding some kind of a change in me? Or I'm PUC iddange idina nanu. If you think you are the same person what you are there in the PUC till now, I think you are the most dangerous person in this world. Because you know why? You got ego. Means you don't want to develop. You don't want to listen to anybody else. ಆನೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ಮಾರ್ಗ ಸಿಂಹ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೆ ದಾರಿ ಅಂತ ನಾವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಹಾಗೆ ಇದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Because as a human being, we grow with an age. As we grow with an age, there is only one thing which we need to remember is we need to become more wise. And how you become more wise? You need to have a lot of experience. How do you get a lot of experience, good or bad? By taking a decision. How do you take a decision? Maybe a decision may be a good or a bad. But if you're not doing all those things, till your end you will become like this. People may not appreciate you. People may not recognize you. People not even respect for whatever you've done it until you fall under this category. Remember, everything has a pros and cons. ಅತಿ ಆದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಅದು ಕಷ್ಟ, ಇದು ಕಷ್ಟ. But as a human being, we had to fall under this category, no matter what. The more you try to be here, nothing is going to change in your life. Nothing, no problem. But as a human being, you will never change. Because there will be one point of time in your life you will start asking, what have you done extra in your life? Tell me. ಯಾವಾಗ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಾ ನಾನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ದಂಗೆ ಇದ್ದೆ, ನಾನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಬಾರ್ದು, ನಾನು ಕಳ್ಕೊಬಾರ್ದು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾರು ನಿಂತನ ಕಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಹೊಸದ್ ಕಲೀರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಹೊಸದ್ ಕಲಿಯೋದಿಕ್ಕೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಮಾತು ಕಡಿಮೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮಾತನ್ನು ಕೇಳಬೇಕು, ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾವುದು? ತಮ್ಮ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡೋದು ನಿಲ್ಲಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. More you stop talking about yourself, more you start listening to something else, you'll always convert from this to here. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕ್ಯಾಟಗರಿ ಏನು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೇಳೋರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ನಾನು ಹಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ನಾನು ಹೀಗ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ, ನನ್ನಿಂದನೇ ನಡೀತಾ ಇರೋದು, ನನ್ನಿಂದನೇ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ನನ್ನಿಂದನೇ ನೀನ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು, ನಾನಿದ್ರೇನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ, ನಾನಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. Maybe certain kind of people you can find everybody in your life. They just want to feel very proud of themselves. But at the same time, feeling good about oneself is always a good thing. But it should not happen in a regular, frequent time. Actually, success should not get into your head. Your emotions should not get into your heart. Especially the success. If you taste that success, if it get into your head, ನಾನು ಅಂತ ಬಂತು ಅಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ 1 ಇಂಚ್ ಮೇಲೊಳಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ? I might have done fantastic work. I might have got a rank. Fine, good. But I cannot carry the same thing always wherever I go. I have to stop. I have to stop when I get a rank. ಮುಗಿತು. ನೆನ್ನೆ ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ತೆಗೆದು ಮುಗಿದೋಯ್ತು ನಾನು. ಇವತ್ತಿಂದ ಹೊಸ ಪರ್ಸನ್. There are so many people who are struggling to get a rank. They will be struggling to get their name. You have to keep training. You have to keep walking alone. You may not get a fruitful event. You may not get a fruitful expectation. Maybe you might have tried a lot of things in your life, you may not even get a single recognition, but you had to keep going, because you know why? Because you love what you do. Because you have a passion to what you're doing. And one or the other way, one or the other day, whatever the hard work you are going to get in a very soon. It is just like we are all working as like a roots. We are making our roots very strong. But there will be one time we'll shoot the root and we'll grow like a bamboo, maybe 100 or 200 feet. If I want to become 100 feet, I had to suffer 5 years. That means I had to build my strong, very strong. And how do I do that? I had to keep listening a lot of things. I had to learn something new, and I had to attempt doing something new which I have not done. Because I am here not to show you. I am here to show what I am to myself. Because I had to prove to myself what I am worth. People may not appreciate your worthiness. People not recognize you. But can you recognize what you have done it for yourself? That makes a lot of difference. So, ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರ ಮಾತನ್ನ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೇಳಿ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಾತನ್ನ ನೀವು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳಿ. ನೀವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಗೊತ್ತು ಹೊರತು ಪಕ್ಕದ ಮನೆಯವರಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಥವಾ ಪಕ್ಕದ ಫ್ರೆಂಡಿಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. People may not humiliate you. People may make you down. People feel you kind of saying you're nothing, you're zero. That is their talk. You have to listen to them. It hurts when somebody says, but what you're talking to yourself makes a lot of difference. It's not the problem. It is the reaction to the problem determines you. But when you are fighting inside in your own heart, it is something on a psychological disturbance. And when in a psychological disturbance, you always take negative things to your heart. ಯಾರು ಕೆಟ್ಟದಾಗ ಬೈತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರು ಮಾತ್ರ ನೀವು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾರು ಒಳ್ಳೇದಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಕಿವಿನೇ ಕೊಡಲ್ಲ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅದೇ ದೊಡ್ಡದಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕೆಂದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್. There will be one time where you say, stop it, sir, don't talk. ಇದನ್ನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಅಂತ ಯಾವಾಗ ಎದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರ ನಮ್ಮ ಕ್ಲಾಸಲ್ಲಿ we feel very much privileged to hear those kind of a thing. ತಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಯಾವಾಗ ಕೂತಿರ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವೆಲ್ಲ. Because you know why? We may not open our mouth. But as a matter of fact, the more you hide things, the more you go to this section. Let's not talk to me. Let's not talk to your friends. Please talk to yourself. What do you want to do it? Don't tell anybody what you are going to do. Tell what you are going to achieve. It is only the self-talk to oneself will determine his attitude and his altitude. I cannot say, look boys, after 20 years I become Prime Minister of India. What's the use of telling you people, but I am not able to achieve it. If I want to achieve it, I have to tell to myself first. If I want to control you, I have to control myself. If I control myself, it is very easy to control you. How? Not being disciplined, not being very strict. It's their own way, it's their own fashion, it's their own style of controlling people. And that's the magic of an organization. People would like to have these kind of a people, organization wants these kind of a people also. Remember, let's talk about negative things. What if every people in a company are superstars? Everybody superstars. Do you think they are going to work? If everyone in the classroom are very much intelligence, FCD, will you do the work? We need some kind of a balance, right? Out of 50, there should be 20 in FCD, 10 in FC, second class, maybe just pass. We need some kind of a combination where we have some kind of a cohesiveness. But unlike company like Google, when everybody is a superstar, everybody wants to be in this condition because the company's culture itself is like this. They give a lot of autonomy to the people. No matter if you are beyond me, if you are more intelligent than me, I welcome you. But in an organization, if I think that you are more intelligent than me, the day next, you say, please get out from the company. But there are some companies out there, they hire people who is more greater than me. I had to hire an employee who is more intelligent than me. And there are some companies out there, they will try to suppress it. They always try to hire people who is below standard. You know why? I have an apprehension, if he becomes a superstar, he start ruling me. Because I am damn insecure, damn inside. ನೀನೇನಾದ್ರೂ ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತು ನನ್ನ ಕೆಲಸ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ನಿನ್ನ and it happens everywhere. It happens everywhere, including your personal life, including your professional life. ನಾವ್ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ, it's all about lesson. It's all about learning. We have to keep learning. We have to keep having a lot of lessons. Because why you take lessons? Because you made a decision. The very first fact of a life is taking a decision. And when you take a decision, there is no pointing of regretting. If you keep on regretting, that whatever you have made a decision will never have any kind of a value. You have to appreciate, you have to respect your decision. No matter what kind of a decision you have taken, maybe good or bad, you have to stick to it. There might be at times where there might be some kind of a flexibility in your decision. That's okay. But you should not change the decision. And moreover, you should not regret. ಪಶ್ಚಾತ್ತಾಪ ಮಾಡ್ಕೂಡ್ದು. ನಾನು ಏನಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಸೋಲ್ಬೋದು, ಪಂದ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಸೋಲ್ಬೋದು, ಫೈನ್, ಓಕೆ, ಬಟ್ ಐ ಟ್ರೈಡ್. This boy, he tried a lot, failed it. But somewhere on the glimpse side, if you see his achievement, 120 kg, he is a superstar in the entire Karnataka, in the entire VT. ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾರು ಗಮನಿಸಲ್ಲ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದೇನು ಪ್ರಶಸ್ತಿ. ಬಟ್ ಅದನ್ನು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನೀನು ತೆಗೆದು ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ, I am the only one in the entire university who has given for 120 kg. Where is 1 or 2 and where is 120? VT you may not appreciate it. But if you go to any other college or any other sports academy, they will just love you. Because in a while, you became a different guy. You tried something which is, nobody has done it so far. And you are the history. You are the history. You are the living example for NVT. You studied, there is a one guy from PSITM who scored 120 kg, but there was some problem in kind of lifting it. We are not able to appreciate it. You know why? This guy falls under this category. And people who have already gone for 90 kgs, 80 kgs, 70 kgs, even though they tried for it, even though they are not attempted doing beyond their comfort zone, they'll all come under this category.